I'm Christina. I'm a member.
I'm Mikhail.
I'm Chloe Jones.
I'm Christian. I'm the president of this club.
Co-president.
That's it.
We saw the takeover there.
So, yeah, we were just going to start talking about how we started this robot, which instead of using CAD, we used basically makeshifts of what we wanted the robot to look like, use sketches, we put it in our notebook, which is not here right now. Then our first design looked like.
Our first design was a basic drivetrain system, but it had a gear tower on each side, and the wheels would be retractable. So and it would have hooks for a flag. So the wheels would retract upwards to hook to the
The bar.
The bar.
Yeah.
To hang on the bar.
Yeah.
And the wheels would retract upwards, so it would hang itself without having an extra motor.
To pull it up.
Yes.
So, and also helped with staying in within dimensions. So,
Unfortunately, they had to scrap that design because with gravity and the amount of stress put on the actual drivetrain, it bowed, and so there was too much force going in the wrong direction, and it didn't work out. It would have worked on the moon, however.
yes.
Should I talk about our second design? Our second design looked very similar to this, except we didn't have a gear tower system. It was basically just for scoring low goals, but we also scored flags and a cheater cube during autonomous.
And we still kept our lift idea, but we used 80-20 metal with 3 stages so that we could pull ourselves up, but that still didn't work out too well. So because basically the stages wouldn't go up at the same rate, and we could have changed that with programming, but we didn't have enough time, so we had to also scratch that idea.
Out of curiosity, what model are you currently on?
This is Model 3?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And so the third model.
He's just cognizant we only have 15 minutes.
The third model includes this gear tower here, and we have it now. It's able to spin with the intake to get cubes, and we have a servo door programmed to hold the cubes in. And once we park ourselves over the crates, we drop all the cubes in there. And we also first problem we had with the arm was we would go down, which that's not down, and the arm would try to push itself into the ground, and this would start picking itself up as the arm went in the ground. So the solution we had was to put little mechanical inhibitors on the sides, so it would physically stop the arm from going any farther. It was either have really fine-tuned driver practice stop it perfectly, or have these inhibitors, which made it a lot easier for our drivers.
So,
Recall the autonomous.
Oh, yeah.
He's turning
For
around.
the autonomous, it goes